felt like your makeup products just wasn't sitting right no matter what products you use? I've been there too. And here's the secret. It's all about skin prep. And today I'm going to share with you some products that I've been using for like 2 years. Pretty much 2 years. We're going to make your skin pop, baby. So let's get it. The best thing I can tell you about a good skincare routine is to make sure that it's simple and simple enough for you to actually do it every day. So first, we're going to start off with a cleanser. And yes, I'm using a gel cleanser, but you should absolutely choose a cleanser that matches your skin type. So if you have dry skin, opt for something that is creamy and hydrating. If you have oily skin, I want you to opt for something that is more gel based. If you have combination skin, then I want you to look for something that targets both oily and, and dry skin. And if you have sensitive skin, then I want you to go for something that's more gentle and fragrance free. That way it won't irritate your skin, it won't strip your skin, it will work with your natural oils in your skin and lead to a healthier complexion. So once you finish cleansing your skin really well, you do want to pat your skin dry. You don't want to rub it, you don't want to irritate it. And another thing that I do, as you can see, I'm using Cosrx products because I do like to stick with the brand for the most part because I feel like they work in tandem together. Okay, so next up is a toner. I'm using this toner by The Ordinary. I typically, on a day-to-day basis, I don't use a toner, ladies. I'm just gonna be honest with you. What that means is this step is optional. So if you choose a toner, make sure that it's suitable for your skin type. If you're dry, make sure you opt for a hydrating toner. If you're oily, choose a toner that has ingredients like witch hazel or salicylic acid. And if you have sensitive skin, then you want to look for a toner that, of course, that has minimal fragrance and minimal alcohol. Okay, if you don't know what toner is for, it is to help your skin's pH level and to remove any residue from the leftover cleanser. So that's why it's important to know your skin type before you go out and just get whatever products. Don't just go by what we say on these videos. Go by what your skin needs. Okay. Next up is my Cosrx Essence. So I really love this because it is very hydrating. I consider this my workhorse of my skincare routine. It does amazing for me. It seals in all the hydration that I just took out of my skin. It puts it back into my skin. Now remember, I keep saying this over and over again. You must know your skin type and what you need when it comes to applying these serums to your face. Some people may need anti-aging serums, brightening serums, hydrating serums, exfoliating serums, firming serums. It just really depends on your particular needs when it comes to these serums. When you apply them, you see me avoiding my eyebrows is because I have microblading. So I do try to avoid my eyebrows when I do put these serums on because of the type of chemicals that are in these products. So I don't want them to fade my eyebrows any sooner than what they need to. Okay. All right, ladies. So I feel like this next section we deal with hyperpigmentation. We deal with this on a consistent basis as a whole, as a group, women of color, and it can be caused by so many different things, sun damage, hormonal changes, skin injuries, medication, medical conditions, and the treatments, they line up. We use these topical treatments like you see here in the video, the Mucin and the Kopari. Most of the time that's what we use, and we have some chemical pills or laser treatments and just different things that we try to get rid of the hyperpigmentation. When it comes to these issues, you really have to get in a mirror, look at your face, and actually see what it is that you're dealing with. Is it hyperpigmentation or is it the wrinkles? And you buy a product that targets your issue. What I'm targeting right here is the puffiness in the morning when I wake up, and I'm targeting my hyperpigmentation. If you're going to do more than one, you want to layer them, the lighter product and then the heavier product. And that's how you want to do all of your products when you layer them. So here we are to moisturizers, which is a part of the most simplest steps of the skincare routine, which is to cleanse, tone, and moisturize, right? And of course, I'm going to say what I have been saying consistently. There are different types of moisturizers for different skin types, right? Oily, I'm going to ask you to opt for a lightweight water-based gel moisturizer. For dry skin, I'm going to ask you to opt for a thicker cream-based moisturizer. And for combination skin, you're going to go for a more balanced formula that can hydrate areas, that don't feel heavy on oily on your oily zones. And then for sensitive, I'm going to ask you to go for a fragrance-free moisturizer, something like a aloe vera. And for me, I'm going with the all-in-one from Cosrx, which is a hydrating moisturizer because it is wintertime and my skin is definitely combination, and I like to make sure I am hydrated during the winter. So I balance mine out between summer and winter. Okay. But go for what you feel your skin needs the most. Look at your skin, feel your skin, love on your skin, and see what your skin needs. Okay? All right. Let's move on. So remember how I told you to layer your products, the lighter to the heavier? Well, my all-in-one cream is a lighter moisturizer and my Bobbi Brown is a heavier cream-based moisturizer. So I'm doubling down on my moisturizer and I'm using a second layer and I am using a cream-based moisturizer. You do not have to do this step. It is definitely optional, but again, it is winter. It is cold and I need more hydration on my skin. We are here at sunscreen, which I have come to really adore. The Supergoop Unseen sunscreen, and it really is unseen because it blends in seamlessly with my skincare routine and it doubles down as a primer. Look how I am like putting this on my skin and it is not rolling up and giving me like white balls with my skincare. Man, this is, I absolutely adore this. I've had some sunscreen that when I put it on, it rolls up, which means when I get ready to put my makeup on or my foundation base on, that's exactly what's going to happen. And you don't want that to happen. So if any of your products that you put on while you're going through your skincare routine tend to roll up, you want to stop right then and there, find out what product is not mixing well together and take that off, because all that is going to do is give you a terrible base for your foundation and every other product that you layer on top of your foundation. Nothing is going to fix that base. But look at it. I mean, I love the way that it looks. It looks very good. All right, ladies, last but not least is Carmex. I still use Carmex to this day because Carmex has SPF in it, believe it or not, and it will protect your lips from the sun. You have to protect everything on God's green earth from the sun. So get you some Carmex today. Okay, lovelies, y'all see it. Y'all see the skin. It is prepped and it is ready for next week's video where we are going to go over foundation. That's going to be fun. So make sure y'all join me next week. Drop me a comment. Let me know which was your favorite product, if you have one, or if you have one of your own. Drop me a comment below. Let me know what you're choosing. Don't forget to go back and tap into that Patrick Ta. Take a look at that and see which foundation I chose in that video. And until next week, I will see you. Now, don't forget to leave me a comment. Let me know what's your favorite product. What is your actual favorite product? Not in this video, but what do you use for your skincare routine? And I'll see you guys next week. All right. Bye.